In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer statements in QuickBooks Desktop. Customer statements are a helpful way to give clients a clear summary of their account activity. Instead of sending individual invoices one at a time, a statement shows invoices, payments, credits, and the current balance all in one place. This makes it easier for customers to understand what they owe and helps you stay organized with your accounts receivable. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the top menu bar. From there, click Customers, then select Create Statements. This will open the statement creation window where you can choose exactly how you want your statements to appear. Begin by setting the statement date. This is the date that will appear on the statement and usually reflects the day you are creating or sending it. After that, choose the transaction period. This determines which invoices, payments, and other account activity will be included on the statement. It's important to select the right date range so your customer gets an accurate summary of their account. Next, select the customer or customers you want to create statements for. If you only need to send one statement, choose that specific customer. If you're preparing statements for several customers at once, you can select multiple accounts and process them together, which can save time during your billing routine. Once your customers are selected, review the information on screen to make sure the statement date and transaction period are correct. Accuracy matters here because even a small date mistake can change what appears on the statement and cause confusion for the customer. When everything looks right, choose how you want to send the statements. You can select print if you want physical copies, or choose email if you prefer to send them electronically. Printed statements can be useful if you mail billing documents, while emailed statements are often faster and more convenient for both you and your customers. Before sending, it's always a good idea to do a quick final check to confirm you're sending the right statement to the right customer. Clear and accurate statements can improve communication, reduce payment questions, and help customers pay more promptly. That's how to create customer statements in QuickBooks Desktop. Once you get familiar with this process, it becomes a simple and efficient way to summarize customer balances, invoices, and payments in just a few clicks.